So in this video, I want to show you how you can get 50% off the website builder of Wix. The first thing you want to do is click on the link down in the video description. It's a partner link and it will make sure that you most likely get the coupon. Once you clicked on the link, you will land on this page, and here you can just type in your email address, and on the next screen you can just sign up with your password. Once you've done that, you will land on this screen, which is the dashboard of Wix, and you will see a pop-up here or a banner down here saying get 50% off selected premium plans. You will also get this via email, usually at the beginning of the week on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, but normally every time I have signed up, I always see this offer here at the bottom. And when you click on it, you will get to the pricing plan. And the first thing you will notice, you only get the 50% on the core plan, on the business plan and the business elite, and you won't get it on the light plan. So this is of course a marketing trick because they want you to upgrade to the core plan. And you will also see that the offer is only valid for 3 days only, and you have a 14-day money back guarantee. And of course they do this to give you some reason to upgrade right now. But let's assume you want to do this. So the 50% off you will get for the core plan. And let's see what is the difference between the core plan and the light plan. The light plan is perfect for simple websites. You can have 2 collaborators working on the website, and you get 2 GB of storage space, and you get a free domain for 1 year. And the difference to the core plan is basically that you can accept payments with a core plan, and therefore, for example, sell your own products in your own e-commerce shop or your digital products like online courses or downloads, because now you can accept payments with Visa, Master, American Express and PayPal and so on. So that's the advantage of the core plan, that you can sell your products or your services. And of course you have some more storage if you want to upload more videos or pictures, and you have a better marketing suite so you can send out newsletters and other automations. And if you really want to grow with Wix, you can of course choose the business plan where you get more collaborators and more storage and some more e-commerce functionalities as well. In detail, you can just scroll down, and here they list pretty much everything you get in the different plans. But let's assume you just want to start to make use of the 50%. Let's take the core plan. Then you can just simply select it here. And to save the most, you can choose it for 2 years, or if you are a little bit risk averse, then you can choose it for 1 year. But let's say you want to save the most, then you can click continue. And here inside the checkout, you can now pay with PayPal, credit card or Apple Pay. And here you see that you save 50% off. And of course you have your 14-day money back guarantee down here. So this was how you get 50% off Wix. If you want to get started, feel free to click on the link here. It will directly bring you to this page, and here you can sign up. And the moment you have signed up, you will most likely see the 50% offer down here at the bottom.